Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how minors can get access to investing with Robinhood features that support under 18 users using custodial accounts or custodial alternatives. First, you must take note that Robinhood requires account holders to meet age and identity requirements and does not allow standalone accounts for users under 18 in most regions. Next, research custodial brokerage options like a Uniform Gift to Minors Act, UGMA/UTMA account in the US, or custodial account supported by regulated brokers. And after that, set up a custodial account with a brokerage that supports minor beneficiaries. The adult custodian completes the application and provides ID. Then, fund the account and teach the minor about investing with parental oversight. Finally, when the minor reaches the age of majority, the account can often be transferred to them. And that's it. And by the way, a quick tip, always consult a financial advisor or guardian for custodial account decisions. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.